Alright folks, here comes San Joaquin train 717, your northbound train heading to Oakland. Get ready to pass my hometown. Here she comes folks, F59 PHI. Cabcar 8309, nice. Off she goes to Oakland. We'll continue on to Antioch, Martinez, Richmond, Emeryville. Final destination of 717, Oakland, Jack London Square. Emeryville will be your bus connection services towards the Bay Area, including downtown San Francisco's Transbay Terminal. Nice. And that's it. Live in my hometown, Oakley, folks. Thank you all for watching. I'm out. Till next time.